Awesome morning kids, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Myself Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. So kids, today I am going to teach you one concept of in and out. Concept of in and out. In means inside, किसी चीज के अंदर. Out means outside, किसी चीज के बाहर. Okay? So kids, I am going to show you few examples. Okay? Here is one crayon box. Okay? So this box is empty right now and these crayons are in my hand. Now these crayons are in the box. Okay? These crayons are in the box. Now I am taking these crayons out. So these crayons are out of the box. Okay kids? So you know the meaning of in and out now. Here I am having one basket and here is one ball. Now I am going to put this ball in the basket. Okay? Now the ball is in the basket and I am taking this ball out. So the ball is out of the basket. Okay? In the basket and out of the basket. So kids, this way you can recognize what thing is inside and what is outside of the object. Now we are going to do an exercise in maths workbook, okay, on page number 6. Kids, do not forget to mention date and classwork on the top, okay. So let's read the question first. What is our question, kids? Tick the object that is inside. Tick the object that is inside. As you can see kids, here are some pictures given and we have to tick the picture which is having the object outside, okay, which is having the object inside, okay. Now let's see the first one. In the first picture, the insect is in the jar and in this one, the insect is out of the jar, okay. In this one, insect is in the jar and in this one, insect is outside the jar. So tell me which one should I put a tick on? Yes, in this one we will put a tick because in this one the insect is in the jar, okay. So we will put a tick like this, okay. Come to the next one. Here is box. Here are some box given. In the first box the ball is in, okay, and in the second one the ball is out, okay. So which one I should put a tick on? On this one or on this one? Tell me fast. Yes, you are right, on this one because the ball is in the box and in this one the ball is out of the box, okay kids. So we will put a tick on this one like this, okay. Now come to the next one. Our next question is tick the object that is outside. Tick the object that is outside. Here also some pictures are given and we have to put a tick on the object that is outside. जो object बाहर है उस पे हमें tick लगाना है, okay. So let's see the first one. In the first picture, the kitten is out of this sack, okay. In the first, this one, there is no kitten outside and in this one the kitten is out of the sack. So in which one I should put a tick, kid? Yes, in this one. So you have to put a tick like this, okay. Understood the meaning of out? जब कोई object बाहर होता है, okay. Come to the second one kids. In this one the bird is inside, okay, and in this one the bird is outside. So tell me on which one should I put a tick? Yes, on this one because the bird is out, okay, out in this picture. So we will put a tick like this, okay. So I hope you understood the concept of in and out. In means inside, किसी चीज के अंदर, and out means outside, किसी चीज के बाहर. So kids, this way you have to do this exercise in your maths workbook, okay, on page number 6. Do it very neatly and beautifully. You have to color all the pictures like this, okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.